Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through common dock maintenance for your ECOVACS DEEBOT N30 Omni. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. First up, we'll start with the top and we'll work our way down. We have our clean and dirty water tanks right here. You'll want to make sure that you frequently clean and empty the dirty water tank. We have our float here. You could also check any of this for any obstructions or things along those lines. And then you could just gently put it back in. So wash, rinse, let it dry. I like to even put a little bit of detergent in here just to help keep it a little bit fresher in case I forget about changing it right away. But that's going to be the dirty water tank. And same thing can be said for the clean water tank as well. Just go ahead, periodically rinse, wash, and dry, and keep an eye on everything here. Shouldn't be too much that you have to do. You can also take a look inside on the station too and check for any obstructions here. You can wipe this down. If you're using the detergent, you just make sure that's tidy and as it should be right there. And then further down we have our vacuum bag. So periodically empty as needed once full and replace with a new bag. And you can also, if you needed to wipe down anything in there, you could. And then those just slot right back in. And then the cover just pops right back on. And then everything else will happen down here, and ECOVACS makes it so easy. Just pull this tray out, wash, rinse, dry, and there you go. If you have any other debris that's built up in there, you can just wipe it down with like a Lysol wipe, or if you have just like a damp cloth. But they make it super easy for maintaining and cleaning your station with this removable tray. That's a game changer.